The stout, blunt bill has a sharp, ridged lower mandible that can cut tough plant material. Strong and sturdy, the feet have 2 forward-facing toes and 2 that point to the rear. Bristle-like feathers at the bill's base may function as sensitive whiskers to help the kakapo feel its way around at night. The kakapo's plumage is dull, moss green above and green-yellow below, with fine brown and yellow bars. In the past, the plumage provided camouflage against giant predatory birds that once lived in New Zealand. The bowl-like facial disc is defined by small feathers. The disc, common to owls, helps focus sound. 8. How the kakapo can't fly. It opens its broad wings to help it balance when climbing or running. It can also make a controlled free fall from up to 17 foot high on outstretched wings.